Xiaomi has introduced its latest electric vehicle, the YU7, which features a distinctive interior display. After launching their electric sedan, the smartphone maker unveiled an electric SUV with a design inspired by Ferrari. Xiaomi's first electric car quickly became a market success. Now, the Chinese technology giant is intensifying its focus on the automotive sector. The company's CEO, Lei Jun, released the first official images of the Xiaomi YU7 on the X platform. This electric SUV is expected to hit the market in June or July next year, according to Lei Jun. While the release date and initial images have been shared, specific details about the YU7 remain undisclosed. Over the past few weeks, the vehicle has been spotted on the road multiple times. Even though it was heavily camouflaged, recognizable features could still be discerned. The official photos confirm that Xiaomi borrowed heavily from Ferrari's design language. With its elongated hood, flat front, snug-looking driver's cabin, and sharply sloping rear, the proportions are strikingly similar to those of the Ferrari Purosangue. The Xiaomi YU7 boasts notable dimensions: 4,999 millimeters in length, 1,600 millimeters in height, and 1,996 millimeters in width. It has a wheelbase of 3,000 millimeters and weighs 2.4 tons. The interior remains largely a mystery. However, an earlier image revealed a remarkable display: a slim screen that stretches across the entire width of the dashboard.